Alright. If you look deep into the jungle over there, you'll see absolutely nothing.
Woo! Nothing!
Yeah, woo! Alright. Well, look at this, folks. There's the beautiful Schweitzer Falls. Apparently we're running out of water here.
Uh-oh, no fall.
Named after that famous African explorer, Dr. Albert Falls. Very majestic today. We're taking a turn into the Nile River, folks, the longest river in the world. Let me go ahead and name some of the plants to you. Let's see, this one there's Tim, there's Bill, and yeah. Oh, look at that, folks. The second most dangerous animal in the world, the African bull elephant. Does anybody know why you would know this is the African bull elephant? What's that?
Science.
Right, well, close. It's because we're in Africa. We're learning, though. We're learning. All right, folks. Well, right over here is the African Veldt. A beautiful place to come out to. Look at this, lots of wildlife. There's some zebras, gazelles, giraffes, some wildebeests. Let's see. Oh, look at that straight ahead in the cave over there, folks. There's a pride of lion protecting that sleeping zebra.
He's
That's
sleeping.
the way they sleep.
Oh.
On their sides. With their legs out. And their necks slightly bent. Oh. And oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Let's take a look at this. There must be over 1 million rocks over there. Alright. Now, folks, we're going to take a turn into the hippo pool. Now, hippopotami are some of the most dangerous, aggressive, and territorial creatures you'll run across. These animals can attack you on land. They can kill you in the water, folks, but we don't want you to worry here. Out here, they're only dangerous if you witness them blowing bubbles and wiggling their ears.
Uh-oh, they're wiggling their
Oh,
ears
this is
out.
not good. Uh-oh, folks. The one ahead, folks, it's about to charge. Everybody, cover your ears. No, don't worry. I got the one in the tree. That one's close. Well, we're taking a turn into head on our territory, folks. This is a terrible, terrible place to be headed.
Beheaded.
My last crew. Alright. Oh, yeah, we have our
It's a talent
native.
show, Ashley.
Always celebrating something special. Let's try to see if we can figure out what they're saying here. You put your left foot in. Take your left foot. Anyway, it's a bunch of hokey pokey. Oh no. I thought I took care of this here. Hey guys!
Hey! You guys, it's me! It's Lewis! You want the boat behind me, remember? You want Chris! Hurry, get down!
I'm sorry about that. Today is Chris's last day. Doesn't know it yet.
He doesn't know
Alright. Well, folks, let's see here. We don't got much going on now right here. A little trickle of water. We're going to go ahead and go straight. I was going to make a left and make a U-turn and do it all over again, but I decided against it last minute. We're going to go ahead into the Amazon. Believe it, we're already in the Amazon, folks. It's a beautiful place out here. Shady pretty much year-round. There's over 25,000 different species of plant life.